Hello, I am physiotherapist Meghna Dave from Health Q Rehab. Well, as you heard it right, I'm physiotherapist and it's very obvious that people come to me with neck pain. And one of the commonest recommendation that people have related to their neck pain is what is the right pillow for me? Well, pillow recommendation is one of the most common thing that I encounter every single day. And always whenever people ask for a recommendation of pillow, I suggest patients to have a pillow where their neck area is well supported. Now, to my surprise, I discovered a very good product in pillow range, and that is Sleepsia's memory foam pillow. And I would love to recommend this product to whoever who experience neck pain of any sort. And there are a few reasons for that. Let me tell you one by one. This is a cervical memory foam pillow from company Sleepsia. This product is made from a memory foam. Memory foam is a kind of foam, if you can see here, takes the shape of your body from the pressure and the temperature that you experience. And as you move out, it takes back its original shape. So this material, the fabric as well as this foam makes sure that the pillow takes the shape of your body according to your body temperature, so that whenever you are sleeping, in whatever position you are sleeping, your neck gets adequate amount of support. If you look at the shape of this pillow, it has got a curve, a smaller curve and a bigger curve. So people who have got cervical spondylitis, where they find relief with more of neck bending, forward bending or flexion, they can use the bigger or as the longer side. And the people who likes to sleep with more of neck extension or backward bending can use the thinner side. So this can be used from either of the end depending on your comfort. And rest be sure, in whatever side you're sleeping, your neck will get adequate support throughout the night without any problem. Along with this, the material or the fabric is hypoallergic and is dust resistant. So if you have got allergy issues, breathing issues while sleeping, for example rhinitis, asthma, etc., this pillow will ensure that you don't get that allergy triggers. Now, other benefit of this product is that this helps in maintaining the right sleeping posture of your neck, which is the most important thing why people experiences neck pain. Now, since our lifestyle have become in such a way where we have to tremendously depend on desktops, laptops and phone, where our neck is constantly under tension. Even when we sit on chairs, our upper back gets support, but our neck rarely gets support. And hence, it's important that at least when we are sleeping, our neck should get adequate support. And when people don't get that support, they land up in neck pain. That's why having a good pillow is super important. This pillow will ensure either you have cervical spondylitis, either you have fibromyalgia, either you have neck muscle spasm that's repeated due to postural habits, or else even if you have breathing problems like snoring, if you have problems like rhinitis, asthma, in all these situations where position of the neck and your body matters, this pillow will ensure that you are sleeping in correct position. Even if you have some shoulder issues, at that time also, making sure that your neck is in well aligned position in comparison to your shoulder, that removes and prevents a lot of stress from the shoulder region and thus preventing shoulder pain, or else reducing the level of shoulder pain as well. And that's why I highly recommend people to use Sleepsia's memory foam cervical pillow.